Welcome to the Crypto Infinity channel where we try to help you find infinite ways to make money. My name is Hector and my goal is to help you reach financial freedom. Now before we get started, go hit that like and subscribe. Not a financial advisor, but now let's get started with your daily market update. So we have the market cap sitting at 1.81 trillion. We're down a little bit over 0.5% over the last day. We have Bitcoin sitting at 40,000, Ethereum sitting at 2,700, XRP sitting at 78 cents, Cardano sitting at 82 cents, Solana sitting at $85, CRO sitting at 39 cents. We have Algorand sitting at 73 cents, Stellar 18 cents, Hedera 20 cents. All these are in the green for the week. So that's a good sign. Looks like we're heading upwards. Might be in the red for today, but it's okay. We've been holding that 40,000 support line on Bitcoin. So, if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. But again, Bitcoin's been holding that 40,000 support line, so that'd be a good sign. Now let's take a look at the Bitcoin chart. Again, Bitcoin is sitting at about 40,000, 40 and a half. Is neutral on the technicals. Again, I will keep on accumulating as much as you can because right now it might be low or it might be 40,000 might be a lot, but when the day comes that Bitcoin gets to a million, you'll make some profits. Now let's take a look at the CRO coin. CRO is at 39 cents. If we see our technical saying it's a good time to sell, but again, I will keep on accumulating. Not a financial advisor, but do your own research and buy what you can. So again, 39 cents. We do have it. We do have a red candle right here. But again, we've been looking positive, just trading sideways. Some upward momentum right here. We did go down, but we should expect another leg up. Probably hit about 45 cents within the next couple of days. So we see here it says Crypto.com launches U.S. exchange. Institutional investors granted first access. So again, I made a short video the other day, and I said I would cover this. So again, here I am. It says the digital currency exchange Crypto.com has revealed it's launching a crypto trading platform in the United States to waitlisted users, and then a progressive rollout will follow. Furthermore, the company says the trading platform's VIP users will get access to exclusive events, rewards, and cutting-edge market insights. Crypto.com launches U.S. exchange platform open to institutional investors. According to Crypto.com, the company is launching a digital currency trading platform in the U.S., and American institutional investors are invited to join the waitlist. In time, the exchange will be progressively rolled out to retail investors as well. Americans have been able to leverage Crypto.com via the mobile application as the firm developed this mobile platform first. Crypto.com says the exchange is regularly a top 5 crypto trading platform by spot volume and its matching engine supports 2.7 million transactions per second and an ultra low 50 microsecond core latency. Currently, Crypto.com's spot volume on March 15th is the fourth largest in terms of 24-hour trade volume. The company's announcement further adds that the firm offers seamless US dollar transfers via its partnerships with Silvergate and Circle. So again, Circle is backed by the US dollar, USDC. Again, over the last year, Crypto.com inked a number of strategic deals. U.S. exchange platform aims to offer deep liquidity for all market conditions. The company has been making big moves over the last year and inking various partnership deals with well-known brand names, including a long-signed term $175 million deal with the entertainment company UFC. In mid-November, it acquired the naming rights to the iconic Staples Center in LA. It's now called the Crypto.com Arena. It's not Staples Center no more. So we're getting onto the future, and everything's changing with the blink of an eye. At the end of the year, Crypto.com partnered with Angel City Football Club, but then in 2022, the trading platform suffered from a hiccup. On January 17th, Crypto.com was breached, and the company disclosed that 438 accounts were affected, and 34 million in crypto was stolen. At the end of the month in January, Crypto.com also inked a multi-year partnership with NBA star LeBron James, and the basketball player starred in the firm's Super Bowl commercial in February. If you watched the Super Bowl, you saw the commercial. LeBron James, they have Matt Damon, and plenty other celebrities. So again, some things are worth the wait. The company said Crypto.com exchange is now in the U.S. with priority access to institutional investors. In addition to the opportunity to attend exclusive events, the company says the U.S. exchange offers a robust security solutions and deep liquidity for all market conditions. So this could be big for Crypto.com and the CRO coin, which is now Chronos. Again, I would suggest getting this Crypto.com card. We have the Obsidian, Frosted Rose Gold, Icy White, Royal Indigo, Jade Green, Ruby Steel, Midnight Blue. Again, so to get the Ruby Steel, you need $400 worth of CRO stake. The Midnight Blue is free. CRO stake $400 for the Ruby Steel. Royal Indigo and Jade Green is 4,000 USD. Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White 40,000 USD. And Obsidian 400,000 USD CRO stake. So again, this is the goal right here. Some of us have to start from here, but again, this is the goal. So on the Obsidian card, you get 100% Spotify covered, Netflix, Amazon Prime, 10% off on Expedia, Airbnb. You do get an airport lounge access for you and the guest, Crypto.com private, bonus reward, merchandise welcome pack, and a private jet partnership. That is with the Obsidian card. Right now, me currently, I do have the Ruby Steel. I get 2% back worth of CRO rewards. I do get Spotify. So again, when you do get your reimbursed for Spotify, you do get it back in CRO tokens. So it keeps on accumulating over time. I would suggest getting it, but again, not a financial advisor. Do your own research. This is a debit card, so you don't have to worry about credit or anything. Just apply for the card and use your own money to spend it how you like. So now on to the next article. It says here, how much will Shiba Inu soar if Robinhood adds the altcoin? What's next for Shiba? That's a natural question to ask after the digital token skyrocketed in the ballpark of 52 million%. Some predict a huge downturn for the crypto. Others think that there are still several catalysts that could drive Shiba Inu even higher. One of the most important of those catalysts is the possibility of Robinhood could announce support for the coin. So far, Robinhood executives have dragged their heels when it comes to including additional digital tokens on the trading platform. However, the sluggish hasn't dampened hopes that a positive decision could be on the way. But just how much will Shiba Inu soar if Robinhood adds the altcoin? Again, probably Robinhood had different plans before they added Shiba Inu. So now they do have a crypto wallet. You do have to get on a wait list. I am off the wait list already, so I was able to get my Robinhood crypto wallet. So right here it says, looking back, arguably the best way to determine how much Shiba Inu's price could jump if it's added to Robinhood is to look the experiences of other digital tokens. Robinhood first launched support for crypto trading on January 25th, 2018 with support of Bitcoin and Ethereum. How much of an impact did this announcement make? Not much. The chart below shows how the two crypto prices exchanged then. But again, the prices were way higher for Bitcoin and Ethereum at that point. Shiba, you get 1 million tokens for about 20-30 bucks. So, in saying that, even with 1 million tokens, you could literally get, if it goes up to a penny, you'll get 10,000 back in profit, literally off of like $35. Bitcoin price data by Y charts within a matter of days. The gains for Bitcoin and Ethereum evaporated, but those were and still the two biggest cryptos on the market. Robinhood announced the addition of Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash on July 12, 2018. Their moves were more dramatic on the news. Let's try again. Robinhood rolled out support for Dogecoin only 4 days after enabling the trading of Litecoin and Bitcoin Cash. How did Dogecoin fare? Unlike its predecessor cryptos on Robinhood, Dogecoin delivered an impressive gain after being added on the platform. There's a good case to be made that Dogecoin is a better comparison for Shiba than Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, or Bitcoin Cash. Both Shiba and Dogecoin are meme coins. Both use a Shiba Inu dog as their mascots. Shiba Inu supporters were invited to comparisons by referring to the token as a Dogecoin killer. Again, I believe Dogecoin and Shiba will do good. Well, Dogecoin already did good, but Shiba will do well because it's really cheap and it's very affordable for everybody. So again, even a million tokens, if it goes up to a penny, let's say you will get about $10,000 back in profit. So that's a good investment that you can make. Some people will buy more, some people buy less. So 10 million tokens, you'll get 100,000 if it goes to a penny, just in comparison. So it says different dynamics. Should we assume that Shiba Inu's move would be in the same ballpark as Dogecoin's nice jump if Robinhood as an altcoin? Not necessarily. There are different dynamics that play for Shiba right now than there were for Dogecoin back in 2018. Everything's moving pretty much faster right now. So the crypto market is just on a roll right now. At the time that it was added on Robinhood, Dogecoin was up less than 750% since its launch. The digital token had plunged more than 80% from its high set earlier in the year. But the really big run up for Dogecoin was yet to come. It's currently a very different story for Shiba. As mentioned earlier, the coin has skyrocketed roughly 52 million percent this year. Sure, Shiba Inu is down 56 below its high mark on October 28th. However, it's a long way from dropping as much as Dogecoin did when it was included on the Robinhood trading platform. So if we take a look here, it says Shiba Inu is saving Turks from inflation. Now the government wants to adopt SHIB. Shiba Inu adoption continues as the Turkish government takes a deeper interest into SHIB. Inflation talk floats around the globe nonstop, while the U.S. continues to fight inflation through interest rate hikes and the like. Countries elsewhere are trying their best to halt ongoing fiat plunges. Turkey's current debt crisis is a prime example of this. The Turkish lira has tanked in value for the last several years. Luckily, though, the advent of crypto is making hedging against these bearish periods easier on citizens. Turkish people have been hip to the asset class, embracing a grip on cryptos in order to cease losing wealth. Shiba has been one such currency. In fact, the token has become so popular that the Turkish government is having serious talks about accepting it. There are many factors behind the ongoing debt crisis in Turkey. The country's current account deficit grew throughout the 2010s as it imports vastly outnumbered exports. What's more, its debt has been worsened by events like U.S. tariff price hikes, influenced by both domestic and foreign developments alike. The complex crisis has amounted to a great deal of suffering from the lira. Turkey's official currency has seen massive inflation in the last decade. Since 2016, the inflation rate of the lira has grown to a whopping 185%. So imagine if the U.S. would adopt Shiba like this. That would be huge. It would probably drive up the price of Shiba to about a couple dollars, $10 or so. But again, let's take a look at the charts for Shiba. Again, Shiba had the top right here at about 0.0008 back in October 28th. And we're down here right now. But again, that's better than being down here. So we've been holding this mark right here at about 0.0002. We've been holding that mark pretty steady. Now let's take a look at the Dogecoin chart. Take a look at the Dogecoin charts. We had the peak May 21st. We're barely approaching May 21st. So imagine if Shiba had a run like that around this time, around the same time that Dogecoin did a couple years ago or last year. So again, imagine Shiba hitting 75 cents. That would be crazy. So Dogecoin is at 11 cents right now, 11 and a half. But let's get on to the next article. It says regulation, an important step for maturity of crypto. The landmark crypto executive order signed by President Joe Biden last week sent the price of Bitcoin surging and drew cheers from major players in crypto as a call to comprehensively study digital currency marked the first step towards regulation that would make a legitimate feature of the U.S. financial system. Industry juggernauts like Circle, Binance, FTX, US, and Coinbase voiced their support for the initiative. In a new interview, venture capitalist Adam Dale, the founder and CEO of new investing platform called Domain Money, added his optimism to the chorus of praise for the move. Regulation can expand the utility of crypto by bringing it into the financial mainstream and better protect our investors from the risk posed by that new asset, he said. We welcome and invite regulation into this industry because it's an important step in its maturity. The much anticipated executive order directs the U.S. Treasury and other federal agencies to study the effect of digital currency on financial markets and national security. The move sets the U.S. on a path towards regulation of digital currency amid a host and desperate approaches taken by other nations. In September, El Salvador became the first country to allow residents to use crypto as a legal tender in all transactions. The effort contrasts with China, which that same month joined other countries that have banned crypto mining and trading. So again, imagine if Turkey would adopt Shiba, just how El Salvador adopted Bitcoin. Be pretty crazy, right? That's just my opinion, though. China's efforts to try to clamp down on this activity had virtually no impact on the overall value of the market or trading activity for the matter. It just shows you that the information wants to be free and markets want to be free as well. Last Wednesday, when Biden signed the executive order, the price of Bitcoin rose as much as 10% above where it stood at the start of the prior day. As of Thursday morning, however, the price held at just 1.6% above where it stood the day before the executive order. So then, again, it did go up and down. So we take a look right here. We'll go back to the 4-hour chart. We did see that big pump, and we just went back down. But again, we're sitting pretty much in the same position that we were a couple weeks ago. 40,000, still holding that support line. So that's pretty much good. We should be on our way to some upward momentum. But again, that's just my opinion. But that is all that we have for the daily market update today. Thanks to each and every one of you. Remember, if you like the content, hit the like and subscribe. Make sure you share the video. Thanks, and until next time.